Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to do a Dutch pour, and I'm going to use 4 paints, and I'm going to use a Arteza pearl pink background. And we're going to start right off, we're going to go right with it. Here's my Arteza pink pearl pink. And where did my trusty palette knife go? Here it is. Here we go. Okay, and here we go. A gorgeous shade of pink. I hope everybody is doing well today. I had a crazy little day with a few deliveries. A big bottle of paint broke on one of my deliveries. Went all over everything, so that was quite interesting. And then we had a Target delivery and had a broken item in there too. Yeah, so it's been an interesting day. Oh, and then Apple decided to change the format of their photos to TIFFs. I don't know if any of you are Apple phone fans out there, but yeah, they did an update last night, so when I went to take a photo to show Target what happened with my delivery, yeah, I had a little problem with that, trying to send a photo in a TIFF, gigantic file. When I went to make it smaller, I could not send it. Didn't want to send. Yeah, so that's how my day's been going. So hopefully, because of the day that I had, this Dutch pour is going to come out beautiful. I'm sure it is. I'm going to take a different approach today. I'm not going to go all across the canvas. Just going to go in 2 corners. And see how that works. So I hope this is enough paint here. I'll worry about my edges later on. I can always paint them if I have to. Let's get all my bubbles out. I really do love this, and I'm going to use up some paints that I had mixed from the other day. So I'm going to make 2 puddles, make one over here and one over here. So that one is Phthalo Turquoise by Winsor Newton. And this is a violet, and it was already mixed, so I'm not even too sure what that is. It just said violet on it. I don't know how I made a mistake and didn't have it marked, but those things happened. That is Pearl Copper Gold by Arteza. And this is another Winsor Newton. And that is Quinacridone Magenta. And I think that's enough. I think we're gonna just go around here with the pink. And I'll go around here with the pink. And we're gonna blow it out and see what happens. Okay. I did it. I think I did. I think I finally got it. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Let's see if, wow. Wow. Woo. I got some beautiful lacing. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so excited here. I got some beautiful lacing in here. I'm actually going to turn this around so I can maybe fix up a little bit of it over here, but I think this part is stunning. Oh, never used that word on mine before, stunning. Wow. Well, I think that's it. I think I love what happens here. I'm gonna paint up those sides. Let's see if I can fix a little of this now. sides in. I'll take you all in for a close-up in a little while. Give it time to settle here. And yeah, I think I got it this time. Please let me know in the comments below what you think. And please subscribe. And give me a thumbs up. Oh, I'm so happy. I love how it came out. Thank you for coming. Subscribe. Have a great day. Be safe out there. If you love what you see, remember you can always purchase these items. Just leave me an email. Thank you. Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off.